Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suziestouches the Gele Guru. So today I'm doing a video on how to use double net to tie VAs, because it's not always easy because it comes like it won't stay, because it's a cotton material. So this is my base. I made 5 pleats, so I'm going to make sure that one side is covered the air and the other side it's out. So I'm coming to the back. I made sure my short hand is up, so it will be neat, and I'm going to drag it very firmly. So at this particular point, I'm going to place it down, so it's going to be very firm as much as possible. Guys, please do not forget to share, like, and comment. Let me know your view. Do you like this ashoke? What's your opinion about the ashoke? What about the color? Do you like the color, or is too flashy? So guys, the name of the makeup artist is Dimpleartistry. You can check her out on Instagram. She's very good, and her studio is at Ibadan Ring Road. So at this particular point, I'm taking my longer hand, that my shorter, the other shorter hand, I'm bringing it on top. That is going to give me the base, like the base crossing of the ashoke. So I did 6 feet here. So what about V shape is you have to do an equal thing on the both sides. So at this particular point, I'm trying to pin my shorter hand. I'm trying to pin it with the base, so it's going to stay very well, because when it's not staying, when you are tying the ogili, it's going to move. So at this particular point, you see it's now set. And another thing you must notice, you must observe, is when you are doing your V, it must be right straight directly at the that your pointed nose ring. So it must be there. At this particular point, I'm trying to just make the pleats more on it. I'm trying to work the pleats for my height. So I'm going to make sure that what I'm picking on both sides, they are just the normal size of a normal round. Why something I'm picking at the middle is something big? Can you see my gill? Like, it's already making sense now. But the issue about this single and this double net ashoke is, it is not that thick, and when you're trying to fold it, it's very difficult to control. It's a very difficult fabric to control, but you try as much as possible to make sure that you control the fabric. Guys, can you see the way I'm pleating it? Because the hope is kind of giving me some kind of tough time, so I'm trying to use my hand to pin it down. Can you see? So that is how it works. Guys, please like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on Instagram too. And if in case if you don't understand anything, or you want to come for personal training, my number is on my Instagram page. Guys, kindly follow, like, and share. Let me know your view about this gele. Do you like the ashoke? The ashoke is made by Zimiranda. not forget to share. Let me know your view. So can you see my gele is already getting it's already making sense. Oh, I love it. So this particular side, I'm trying to make my fan, not something big, but just the normal thing that I should do. Look at it. So I'm trying to adjust it at the back, so it's going to give me a very, very detailed thing at the front. So guys, please and please like and share. In case you want me to drop any other videos, let me know in the comment sections what you don't understand. Enter my DM and let me know your view about it. Thank you guys. So I'm just trying to pin down my gele, the last hand with the base, so it's going to stay very well. Guys, do not forget to like and share. So this is my final look again. So guys, do not forget to like, share and follow me. Thanks for watching.